Stumble across these elevators. This looks kind of familiar. I've noticed this in Alex Stack YouTuber Glue's older video, but these are the elevators at PNC Bank, which used to be Compass Bank in Dallas, Texas. Cab has obviously been redone, but the fixtures are still original. I think this is Compass Bank. It was originally Compass Bank before. This is traction. It's hydraulic. I was wrong. Door close button's replaced with a Fujitec, and the door open button is gone. This is worth checking out, an innovation call button. Oh, you need, wait, do you have to have a code to get on? Great, I just trapped myself here. You going
trying to go back up?
Yeah, I think I just trapped myself here by accident.
All right, yeah, you gotta have a badge.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that, sir.
No, you're good. I was just wondering.
I'm just basically an elevator enthusiast. I accidentally, thank you so much, sir.
Oh no, you good. I was just wondering.
I got myself trapped down here.
No worries, man. Go ahead. You good? Yeah. Yeah, no, I gotta go do that here.
Thank you so much. Have a great day. Oh, the buttons were replaced on this one.
Yeah, I gotta go do that after work. That's it.
The other elevator definitely has a better motor. Fujitec buttons. Yeah, yep, this was definitely originally Compass Bank before seen in Alex's older video. You going up?
Yeah.
Your floor?
Yeah, 4.
Oh, great, we're stopping a lot.
Yeah.
This is second floor. You're going up? This is going up.
No sé qué está grabando.
¿Cuándo la viste salir? ¿Qué cosa? ¿Qué? Yo sí lo vi salir, pero ya fue tal. Claro. Sí, eso. Por aquella. ¿Ya? Aquí vos para
Oh, we're going to 1?
Yes. Porque aquella no sabe que realmente me siente porque no todo el mundo sabía, pero no.
The floor button looks like it's California code compliant, while it's got innovation buttons, but the contacts are still the exact same. Have a good rest of the day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm gonna take for one more ride without any interruption. There's a camera in here, so hopefully I don't get confronted. I didn't even get my cab view. Yeah, you can definitely hear the motor better on the right elevator car. The buttons were replaced with innovation, but still got the original EPCO contacts. Perfect silent ride. This is an interesting elevator. I just happened to stumble across this building. I wonder what they have in here. And lo and behold, when I noticed the elevator hallway lobby with the original indicator, it's a Westinghouse. Original Westinghouse from the 1980s. And I remember this is in Alex's older video, when it was back when it was Compass Bank. So, watch it close. There it goes. Yeah, the right elevator car has a much louder motor than the left one. But anyways, that'll be it. Thanks for watching.